Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here at the world famous Arambol beach. So guys, we are going to go on the beach. We're going to take a walk on the beach. I'm going to show you what's open, the shacks, the restaurants, whatever is open here guys. So let's go and check it out. Okay guys, so we are going to head on to the beach now. So we are here. Hey, what's up? So we are heading on to the beach right now, and as you can see, there are a few of the shops that are open. If you've not seen a video of the market as of yet, please do check it out. It's on my channel. Yeah, so okay guys, so we are heading on to the beach now, and wow, look at the amount of people that are here. So as you can see, these are the beach shacks that are here. So the first one is the Pirates Cabin Bar and Restaurant, and the next one is Coconuts Inn. That's my friend's restaurant. So as we head on to the beach, you will see that they have these, wow, so they have all these beach tables, and you can drink on the beach. And you can drink on the beach in the sense you can drink at these little shack kind of things. So okay, those are the shacks that are open there, and what we are going to do is, let me just show you around. So on this side of the beach there is nothing that is open, and in the distance there, that's the road to the Sweetwater Lake. But because the tide is high guys, you won't be able to, when the tide is like this, please don't go to the Sweetwater Lake, because you won't be able to cross there. It will become very difficult and it's quite dangerous. So please be careful when you're going. There is a lot of accommodation available in those rooms over there, but you'll have to search on Google. I don't really know the names properly. And as you can see here, there are all the things that are open. Somebody shouted my name over there. I will come back. Yeah, so yeah guys, so this is what it looks like here. So now guys, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. We will be doing a lot of, I show you guys videos of Goa every single day. So it's nice to see what Arambol looks like right now. When I last came to Arambol, this place was completely empty, and now it is, I mean, there's quite a lot of people here right now. And okay guys, so the sea, you're not allowed to swim because the sea is very rough at the moment, but otherwise it's pretty nice to go for a walk on the beach here. Very relaxing. And yeah guys, so just look at all the shacks that are open at the moment. So as we head on down, you will see that there are more places open. Unfortunately today my drone decided to fail, so I was trying to fly my drone here, but it's suddenly failed, and unfortunately I won't be able to take a nice drone video for you guys. So then okay, so see, they're selling these type of things over here. So all these kind of different items. Madam, ये prices क्या है इसका? नहीं, मेरे के लिए नहीं, सब लोग देखते हैं और उन लोगों को बताना क्या है प्राइस. हाँ, नहीं, अच्छा, okay. So she didn't really want to tell the prices, but it's fine. So they are usually about 200 rupees, 200 rupees each. And if they say more, then definitely it's way too much. Okay, so if you watched my previous video, which is the video of the market, Arambol market, that's the other entrance guys. So if you come to Arambol from the main entrance, that's the area you will be, and you can see there are a lot of people there enjoying themselves. There are lifeguards on this beach, and they do allow you to go till at least knee length water level, but if you go a little further, they will start whistling and tell you to get out of the water. So this is mandatory guys. I just have to show you how it is to walk on the, oh my gosh, okay, let me show you something interesting. So see this, when you come to a beach like this, okay, I'm just going to walk into the water and show you guys what this is. So there are these shells, okay, which you get on this beach. Basically these are like shellfish, and in the locals what we do is the whole beach is full of them actually. So if you see, when I put it back, it just went in the sand. So whenever the water comes down, you will see that all these shellfish come out, and in Goa we make a soup out of them. So it's really nice here in Arambol at this time. So it's around, what's the time? Okay, so yeah, it's 4:20 right now in the afternoon. Okay, so there are many other shacks that are here as well, and at the moment guys, these are all of our Indian tourists which are here at these shacks right now. Okay, so let's head back and I'm going to show you from the shack what it's like. We walked around Arambol here, and that is the main area guys. So if you're coming to Arambol, come to this area, park there. The parking is free for bikes, and if you're going to get a car, then right at the top, if you watched my market video, right at the top, when I say turn left, there is also a road which goes to the right where you can get pay parking for a car. So these are all the other popular shacks that are here. They seem to be renovating, which is cool, so we can expect to have them open in the very near future. So this is what Arambol looks like guys. It's so beautiful right now, and there is a nice breeze that is here. So I know I say that in a lot of videos, but the weather in Goa right now is incredible. So it's not raining anymore, so it has this nice chilled feeling here, and it's so relaxing to walk on the beach and I feel the water just, you know, going through your feet. So yeah guys, what we are going to do is now I'm just going to go and say hi to the viewers from our channel who said hello and spend some time with them. I always like meeting you guys when I come to the beach. It's so random. I meet so many of you when I come here. So anyway guys, let's go and say hi to them. Okay guys, so he's also another viewer of ours from here, and this is from, he has the shack here, which is the Little Italy shack, which is here. So if you guys come and meet him. And what else?
Italian food, pizza, pasta, everything. Your room also. Guest house.
Italian pizza, pasta, everything is available with him. So yeah.
Very good pasta and Italian pizza. Also foreigner like, you know, very good.
Okay, so if you want to try out some nice Italian food, come and check them out. They have pasta, pizzas, everything guys. So you come and meet him. He's also a viewer of our channel. So yeah. Okay guys, so these are some of our other subscribers here. So today seems like we have a lot of subscribers on the beach. So say hi guys.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. So where are you all from?
Actually, we are from here only, but
Okay.
we are working here.
Okay, great. Okay. So they are all our viewers. So nice to see them over here. Yeah. Okay guys, so just having a beer here, chilling out with a couple of our viewers, but I'm not going to show them because they are here on a secret trip, so we won't show them. Okay, let them have a good time here. So anyway guys, cheers from here in Arambol. So guys, this is late evening now. It's almost 6:45 right now, and as you can see, the people, there is much more people here right now. So there are, good decent amount of people that are here right now, and in the distance there are lots of people at the moment. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah. So that side of the beach has a lot of people right now, and this side is a decent amount. So if you come here on a Sunday or something, then there will be a lot more people here guys. So guys, this is the fishing boats that go and catch some fish from here. So they have just come in a little while ago, and if, as you can see here, these are the fish that they caught. Oh wow, so these are the prawns that they've got, and these are some of the fish that they've got over here. So these are the small local boats of here in Goa, guys. So guys, that is it from here in Arambol. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I will be bringing you lots of other videos from here in Goa.